talk about how can you change your oration on your Costco app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on account down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down here. So then you come here to you just click here on region settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you change or add your region here in this list on your Costco app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you all get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.